Okay, welcome to the Basic Computer Repair and Networking, Unit number 3, Laptops and Mobile Devices Presentation Lecture. Please make sure that you have the note guide that goes along with Unit 3 so that you can follow along and take notes as we go through the Unit 3 content. Laptops and mobile devices. The key to know about these different types of devices is that they are mobile. A portable PC is a computer designed to go wherever the user needs it to go. Examples of portable PCs could be laptops, notebooks, tablets, and even smartphones. Portable PCs generally have computing power equal to a full-size PC. The advantage of them is usually that they are smaller and they are portable, which means they can go with the user and not be tied to a desk or a particular outlet. Now let's talk about mobile devices. Mobile devices are smaller computers as compared to desktops and laptops. Some examples of those are going to be tablets and smartphones. Chances are every single one of you have a mobile device. Mobile devices are designed to be lightweight, compact, and internet ready. And as we continue to live in the digital age, our mobile devices are becoming smaller and more powerful from a computing standpoint as the technology evolves. A laptop, which you could probably also classify as your Chromebook, and mobile device comparison. Let's take a look at the laptops. Laptops have CPUs capable of supporting intensive software applications. It's more or less a PC that is portable. Tablets and smartphones cannot support intensive software applications, more of an app-based type interface. Tablets have less storage space than laptops and usually interact with the cloud more. CD, DVD, and Blu-ray devices are common for laptops, but not for tablets and smartphones, mainly because a laptop or a PC is going to have some type of a DVD drive that may or may not be able to also read CD formats and Blu-ray formats. Unlike tablets and smartphones, laptops have standard keyboards, where we actually can type using standard typing practices, whereas on other devices it is using our thumbs or maybe a swipe method in order to enter text into the device. Laptop and mobile device comparison also is going to include laptops having many parts, such as hard drives, memory, can easily be replaced or upgraded. So now these different parts of these devices can be changed rather than having to replace the entire device at once, which is what normally has to happen with a tablet. There are also advantages of tablets over laptops. Tablets are lightweight. Tablets also use less electrical energy. And technology evolves, as technology evolves, the lines between tablets and laptops will blur as they begin to be closer and closer related in terms of their capabilities. Now let's take a look at this graphic. So, laptops and mobile devices. When it comes to different hardware pieces on the far left-hand side, CPU, hard drive, storage size, optical read-write device, standard keyboard, repair, replace parts, and upgrade, can that be done on any of these different devices, laptop, tablets, and smartphones? As you can see by looking at this, there are going to be advantages and disadvantages to each of those different mobile devices. Chances are you may have one or more or all of these different devices at home. This is a way for you to determine what the advantages are of each of those devices. Now let's take a look at some aspects of mobile devices, such as an accelerometer and a gyroscope. Now the accelerometer and the gyroscope technology provide the means of input for a mobile device based on changes in physical position. You'll notice that your picture or your display will change based off of how you are holding your mobile device. An accelerometer is an electromagnetical device that measures acceleration forces, and a gyroscope measures the vertical and horizontal orientation. This is what allows your screen to change whether or not you're holding it landscape or you're holding it portrait. GPS, or Global Positioning System, is a satellite-based navigation system developed by the Department of Defense. We probably all know what the GPS is. All of our devices are equipped with GPS chips. A GPS-enabled device uses measurements to calculate locations. And then there's also geo-tracking, is when a device is tracked by another device. Some of your families might have these within their mobile device packages. There's also cloud services. Cloud services are used in order to store data. Cloud services are storage and application software from a remote location on the internet. Cloud services also provide a way for devices with limited storage space to be able to store large amounts of data. And one of the biggest advantages when it comes to cloud services is data is automatically backed up if the setting can be, once the user sets it to do so, but some cloud services are going to automatically back up the data so that data is not lost. Bluetooth, which is another aspect of mobile devices, which a lot of us are probably using at this time. Bluetooth is the name of a standard developed for short-range radio links between portable computers, mobile phones, and other portable devices. You may have things such as Bluetooth earbuds, which you can communicate with either your phone or your tablet or even your laptop in order to be able to transmit sound from that device into your ears. Support data transfer speeds are as high as 1 megabit per second, or 1 megabit, I should say, Mbp. And there are 3 different classifications. Class 3 is obviously going to be 1 meter or 3 feet, but Class 2 is going to be a little bit more, and Class 1 is going to be the one that provides the largest range of communication. When it comes to Bluetooth standards, connecting a Bluetooth device to a computer or mobile device is referred to as pairing. So before sound can be transmitted between your Bluetooth earbuds and your device, it has to be paired so that both devices see each other and connect to each other. There are common problems with Bluetooth and wireless devices, such as no connection or even intermittent connections. When it comes to portable PCs, such as laptops, what are some of the parts that are involved with that? These are some of the things that may or may not classify this device as being portable. Batteries, yes. Docking station, keyboard, multiple screens, a port replicator, portable motherboards, touchpads, touch screens, and even infrared devices. And this list is evolving as portable PCs evolve technology-wise. Some of these may become obsolete in the near future, and other advantages of these parts or other parts of this PC might be coming down the pipeline in the near future, and we don't even know about them yet. Power management. When you have a portable device, you do not have a constant power source. You have a power source known as a battery, which is not going to last forever. So incorrectly configuring power management can considerably reduce the duration of battery power on a portable PC. There are 3 major power consumers on a portable PC: the display, the CPU, and the hard drive. Now, if you're on a portable PC or a laptop, normally within the operating system itself, there's going to be battery-saving settings that you can set in order to reduce the amount of power that is being consumed by the device over the course of time. Now, if we take a look at an operating system like Windows Vista or even later, power management options that are involved, or I shouldn't say not involved, but are within the operating system itself, which allows the user to be able to change those settings, they are based on pre-configured power plans to help users conserve the power. Now, the 3 power plans available are going to revolve around balanced power, power saver, and high performance. Balanced power is going to emphasize battery conservation and system performance. Power saver is going to slow the performance of the CPA and lowers the backlighting of the LCD display, whereas high performance is going to sacrifice battery life but allows the computer to operate at top performance. Also, along with that, there are other power features which the user can configure in order to change power settings. Sleep. The sleep option is going to save all documents and folders in use at that time. And hibernate, which saves your open files and current work to the hard drive in the time of not being used. So not powered down, but if it's not used in these times, the times in which a computer goes into hibernate or sleep mode can be adjusted by the user. Power management feature includes password protection as well, making sure that only authorized users are allowed to be in the machine to be able to use its resources. And this concludes the mobile device presentation lecture. Please make sure that you have all the notes for unit number 3. And if not, go back and revisit the slides so that you do have all the notes so that you can use this note guide as a study tool for upcoming assessments. And I will see you next time we meet in class.